Good morning, everyone. It's indeed a proud moment to be here to celebrate Manohar Parrikar Vigyan Mahotsav, organized by Department of Science and Technology and Waste Management, Government of Goa. Science and technology is the ultimate need of an hour that is changing the overall perspective of the human towards life. Science is the way of life, it's a perspective. It's a process that takes us from confusion to understanding in precise, predictive, and reliable manner. This festival is celebrated in the memory of such a person who followed the path of science and technology throughout. It is said that great people were not born great. They became great by making a decision to pursue their dreams in life and by refusing to give it up. Such was he. Yes, such was he, a man born to take charge and bring a change. He spearheaded a change in Goa, working tirelessly, aiming towards the holistic development of Goa. Recently awarded posthumous Padma Bhushan Award. Government of Goa is trying to walk on the path showed and lit by late Mr. Manohar Parrikar, the man with vision, great brain, and a true patriot. I welcome all of you in this festival, those who are physically present over here, and even those who are virtually watching this program. We have our honorable guest with us to celebrate Manohar Parrikar Vigyan Mahotsav 3rd edition. We are pleased to have with us Honorable Minister, Science and Technology and Waste Management, Shri Michael Lobo sir, Chairman, Goa Public Service Commission, Shri Jose Manuel Narona, Chief Secretary, Government of Goa, Shri Parimal Rai, Professor Ashutosh Sharma, Formal Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, Dr. Shekhar Mande, Director General, CSIR, Professor Sunil Singh, Director, NIO, Dr. Tariq Thomas, Secretary, Science and Technology. I also welcome our eminent speakers, Professor K. Kasturi Rangan and Professor Ada Yonath in this festival, who are going to deliver lecture in the next session. I request Sri Jose Manuel Narona to welcome everyone and give an overview of the festival. Narona, sir.
A very good morning to all of you. Honorable Minister for S&T, Mr. Lobo, Chief Secretary, Mr. Rai, Dr. Mande, Professor Sharma, Dr. Sunil Singh, Dr. Tariq Thomas, Levinson Martins, my member of the commission, Dr. Sukaji Naik, all the eminent guests here today, and the youngsters, the students. I'm happy that there are so many girl students here together today, and we have a lady Nobel laureate who will also speak to you a little later. I will very quickly take you through the events of the last 3 years. So, how does this work? Yes. So this program began when Mr. Parrikar had first organized a Nobel series here in the year 2018. And he had assured that he would sustain this kind of an effort for the youngsters to, so the, science temper is inculcated in them. Unfortunately, he lost his life battling to cancer. In 2019, the government decided that we'll have an annual event of, to honor his vision and his thought for the youngsters. So we had a program organized in 2019 where we had a host of lecture faculty who came from different parts of the country. And we had these venues at different colleges of the state of Goa, Perne, Sankeli, Kepe, Margaon as well, and we had the inaugural at NIO in Dona Paula. Last year, because of the pandemic, unfortunately, we could not have a bigger program. So we had it online when we had Dr. Randeep Guleria, Director AIMS, who spoke to us about COVID. At that time, it was very unknown. and we had Dr. Balaram, who spoke on the environmental issues. This year, we're having an event a little differently. It is more in a hybrid form. We have Professor Sharma, Ashutosh Sharma, former Secretary DST, who will speak on innovation a little bit later. We have with us also Professor Ranga Ragan, who will speak from Bangalore, former chairman of ISRO. And we also have a Nobel laureate, Professor Ada Yonath, who will speak to us on the future of antibiotics. This program is being telecast live at 7 locations across the state. That is right from Concon, Kepem, Margao, Vasco, Dona Paula, Ponla, Perne, as you can see here. We hope you have a very enjoyable day today. There's a Q&A session that will be open up after the talks are over. We request you to engage yourself, think deeply, come with questions. We have Dr. Sujit. He's here with us. He will take your questions. We'll try our best to accommodate as many questions that you have so that the speakers can answer them, but because of shortage of time, we probably will not be able to handle all the questions. I thank you all for having come here. I welcome all of you for this program. In a very special way, Professor Mande, who has helped us through an MOU with the CSIR, Dr. Singh, who has identified the speakers, Dr. Ashutosh Sharma, who's come all the way from Delhi to deliver the talk, and in a special way also, Dr. Ada Yonath. I welcome her, and Professor, former chairman of ISRO, who will speak to us on space. Welcome once again, and I hope you have an enjoyable evening. Now, before I end, we'll play a very short clip, a movie of Mr. on this event. That'll last about 5 minutes, and thereafter the program will start. Thank you.
Great men are defined by their vision and ideas, the things that live on to enrich the world, even after their deaths. A seeker of knowledge, son of the soil, and a true patriot, many words can be used to describe the simple yet impressive persona that was late Shri Manohar Parrikar, an IIT alumnus who stepped into politics for the love of the state and country. He served as the Chief Minister of Goa and Defense Minister of the nation. Under his leadership and scientific vision, Goa became a pioneer state in encouraging and adapting to the latest scientific methods and technologies, ushering an era of innovations and sustainable developments. As a result, various sectors like education, energy, agriculture, waste management developed exponentially, contributing to a modern and scientific outlook for the state of Goa. Under his vision, Goa Waste Management Corporation, a special purpose vehicle, was formed for setting up of all common waste management facilities. This corporation is unique to this country. Goa became one of the pioneers in adapting a scientific approach to waste management through an integrated waste management facility at Saligaon, Kalangut, which was set up in the year 2016. The current government, led by Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, has ensured to fulfill the vision and commitment of late Shri Manohar Parrikar and has set up facilities for treatment of biomedical waste at Kundai and common hazardous waste facility at Pisurle. Further, it is in the process of setting up of municipal solid waste plant at Kakora and expansion of the existing Saligaon waste treatment facility. In order to promote love for astronomy, Shri Parrikar supported, through the Department of Science and Technology, Association of Friends of Astronomy, an NGO founded by Shri Percival Narona in 1982. Subsequently, in 1990, the nation's first public astronomical observatory was established in Panjim and then Madgaon. During his term as the Chief Minister, Shri Parrikar, on one of his visits, saw that the public observatories can serve a great purpose, a motivation to the students and an invitation to the curious. Shri Manohar Parrikar knew the value of introducing scientific curiosity in inquisitive minds and general people. To bring science closer to the people, he envisaged a science park where visitors could experience the scientific approach in both indoor and outdoor environments. His scientific vision and approach were applied to government infrastructure projects and management as well. giving us well-planned bridges, roads for better connectivity and ease of life. Shri Manohar Parrikar, an alumnus of IIT Bombay, believed himself to be a lifelong student, and it was his firm conviction to propagate a similar spark into the young and knowledge-seeking minds of Goa. He wanted to encourage and guide the young minds on a scientific path. This thought was witnessed in his endeavors with IIT Goa, NIT Goa, and also contributed to other centers of excellence. To promote education and post-graduation, various schemes were launched like interest-free education loan and Goa Scholars Scheme. In 2018, Shri Manohar Parrikar inaugurated the Nobel Prize Series in Goa, a 3-day event in collaboration with the Nobel Foundation through the Swedish Embassy. 4 Nobel laureates attended this glorious event and interacted through lectures, panel and roundtable discussions with a wide range of stakeholders, including students, researchers, academicians, industry, and general public.
Our government seeks to reinforce Goa's status as a scientific hub of India with a strong focus on not only significantly strengthening scientific education in our state but also promoting a scientific temperament across the state.
Sadly, in March 2019, the state profoundly mourned the untimely demise of this great son of Goa. Coping with this loss, the Goa government, led by the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, became the torchbearer of the spark left behind by Shri Parrikar. Not only did the government continue in the path of scientific and technological innovation, it ensured that the initiatives taken by late Shri Parrikar were continued. To commemorate his birth anniversary and to honor his commitment made during the Nobel Prize Series 2018 of hosting such an event annually, the government of Goa took a decision to mark 13th December as Manohar Parrikar Vignan Mahotsav. This knowledge-sharing platform has become a tradition, something late Shri Manohar Parrikar had dreamt of. As we are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and Goa at 60, the absence of Shri Manohar Parrikar has left a vacant void that is difficult to be filled. The entire nation and the state of Goa salute him for his vision, dedication, leadership, and patriotism.
I'm sure that was a tip of iceberg of what he entirely was. I request Dr. Tariq Thomas to bring all the dignitaries on the dais. So please. Please be seated. Welcome, sir. A flower is a symbol of love and respect. Let's welcome all our dignitaries with bouquet of flowers. Chief guest for today's function, Shri Michael Lobo, sir. Warm welcome, sir. Chairman GPSC, Shri Jose Manuel Narona. Chief Secretary, Government of Goa, Shri Parimal Rai. Professor Ashutosh Sharma. Dr. Shekhar Mande. Professor Sunil Singh. And Dr. Tariq Thomas. Thank you. I request all the dignitaries to light the lamp and inaugurate third edition of Manohar Parrikar Vigyan Mahotsav. Light is a symbol of knowledge. Let this festival invoke motivation among students to learn science. Thank you, everyone. Please take your seats. And may I now like to request Dr. Shekhar Mande, Director General CSIR, to address the gathering. Dr. Shekhar Mande.
Honorable Minister of Science and Technology, Mr. Lobo, Chief Secretary of the State, Mr. Parimal Rai, Mr. Narona, Professor Sharma, Dr. Sunil Singh, all the guests who are gathered here, students and faculty, it's a great pleasure for me to welcome all of you for this function today. The organization that I head, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, of which National Institute of Oceanography is a constituent laboratory, one of the 37 laboratories, feels very privileged to have signed an MOU with the government of Goa and to celebrate the Manohar Parrikar Vigyan Mahotsav every year in the state. Most of us scientists had an opportunity to interact with him through his tenure, either as the Minister of Defense or as the Chief Minister of Goa. And the last time that we met him was when we all came here for the Nobel Laureate Symposium in February 2018. And there's a time that he was very graciously, he hosted dinner for all of us, and that was unfortunately the last time that many of us met him in this place. But at that time, it was resolved that we should all celebrate his life and his achievements and whatever he has done for the state of Goa. And what a wonderful way than celebrating his life by bringing students of Goa together and telling them about the latest achievements of science and technology. I'm sure Mr. Parrikar would have been delighted today that today a small bit of history is being created in Goa, wherein you will witness plantation of cinnamon for the first time in India, cultivation of cinnamon. Many of you know that some time ago we created history by planting Asafoetida foetida in the country. Some of you would have seen this question on Kaun Banega Crorepati, or the question even went to UPSC exams last year, that where did Asafoetida foetida cultivation start in India? And that was one of our laboratories, the Institute of Himalayan Bioresearch Technology. They started in the Leh Ladakh and Lahaul and Spiti valleys. But today, we are going to similarly witness plantation for cinnamon for the first time. Although we eat cinnamon a lot, but it's not cultivated in India. Most of it is imported from Thailand, China and other countries, which is of way inferior quality. The one which is imported from Sri Lanka is of good quality, but yet we depend on complete import of that. But today Goa is going to witness, and Mr. Parrikar, I'm sure, would have been delighted to witness this history today. I welcome all of you to celebrate Mr. Parrikar's life through the science lectures that are being organized And once again, CSIR is delighted to partner in organizing these lectures. Thank you all very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mande. I would now like to request Shri Mike Lobo, Honorable Minister, Science, Technology and Waste Management, to share your thoughts on this occasion. So.
On this very special occasion of Manohar Parrikar Vigyan Mahotsav 2021, guest on the dais, Dr. Shekhar Mande, Director General CSIR, Professor Ira E. Yonath, Nobel Laureate 2009, Professor K. Kasturi Rangan, former Chairman ISRO, Professor Ashutosh Sharma, Sri Jose Manuel Noronha, Chairman GPSC, and Chairman Advisory Committee for this Mahotsav, Chief Secretary Parimal Rai ji, Government of Goa, Dr. Sunil Singh, Director NIO, Secretary Tariq Thomas, Science and Technology, Levinson Martin, our MD of this Science and Technology, all the other dignitaries who are present over here. Late Shri Manohar Parrikar, our ex-Chief Minister and our Defence Minister of this country, during the inauguration of Nobel Prize Series 2018, declared that government would hold a scientific lecture series every year in the state of Goa to encourage, inculcate a sense of scientific temperament among the students of Goa. In order to honor his commitment, our government decided to observe Manohar Parrikar Vigyan Mahotsav on this birthday, that is 13th of December every year, where eminent scientists deliver scientific lectures. Government of Goa, through Department of Science, Technology and Waste Management, has been instrumental in honoring the commitment of late Shri Manohar Parrikar to organize such science lecture series for the scientific temperament and for love of science among students community. Such science lecture series shall also enhance the knowledge of researchers and students. Department of Science, Technology and Waste Management has taken forward the late vision of our great then Chief Minister Shri Manohar Parrikar ahead. We have seen that the waste which was being generated in the state of Goa, we formed a special purpose vehicle, Goa Waste Management Corporation. Government has been successfully running this corporation in Saligaon, Kalangut Plateau since 2016, and presently the work of construction of enhancement of capacity of this plant to 250 tons per day is nearing completion. Similarly, the work of 100 TPD waste management plant at Kakora is underway and will be completed soon. Likewise, the biomedical treatment facility is completed, and the first phase of common hazardous waste management facility is also completed. Goa has also set a clear roadmap for setting up of e-waste management facility and construction and demolition waste management facility. Government of Goa has notified schemes for organizing scientific seminars and exhibitions for schools and higher secondaries, for research projects of higher education students, besides for research students to participate in seminars both in India and abroad. The government also supports engineering students for their projects as part of their curriculum. The Goa State Council for Science Technology as well as Goa State Innovative Council has been in the forefront to encourage young innovators, besides all registering patents and geographical indications to various products of Goa. I'm happy to know that this year, Nobel laureate in chemistry 2009, Professor Ida Y. Yonath from Weizmann Institute of Science, Israel, Professor K. Kasturi Rangan, former chairman ISRO, and Professor Ashutosh Sharma, Professor IIT Kanpur, former Secretary Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, will deliver lectures, and I'm sure these eminent speakers will leave a firm imprint on the minds of young students and at the same time will motivate the researchers and teaching community. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Shri Michael Lobo, sir, for these motivating words. Friends, we are proud to have such a CM who has been guided and directed by the great man himself, Shri Parrikar. Honorable CM Dr. Pramod Sawant is not present with us today physically, but he has sent his wishes and address for this festival. Let's watch it.
On the occasion of Manohar Parrikar Vigyan Mahotsav 2021, my colleague Sri Michael Lobo, Minister for Science, Technology and Waste Management, Dr. Shekhar Mande, Director General CSIR, Professor Ida Yonath, Nobel Laureate, Chemistry 2009, Professor K. Kasturirangan, former Chairman, ISRO, Professor Ashutosh Sharma, the Professor of IIT Kanpur, the former Secretary and Department of the Science Technology, Government of India, Sri Jose Manuel Noronha, the Chairman of Goa Public Service Commission and Chairman of Advisory Committee for Manohar Parrikar Vigyan Mahotsav, Sri Parimal Rai, Chief Secretary, Government of Goa, Dr. Sunil Singh, Director NIO, Secretary, Science and Technology, Government of Goa, all dignitaries, the brothers and sisters, late Chief Minister of Goa, Sri Manohar Parrikar, during the inauguration of the Nobel Prize Series 2018 declared that government will hold the scientific lecture series every year in the state of Goa to inculcate a sense of scientific temperament among the students of Goa. In order to honor his commitment, my government has decided to observe Manohar Parrikar Vigyan Mahotsav on the birthday, either 13th of December every year, where the eminent scientists deliver the scientific lectures. I am happy to know that this year, being the third edition of the Manohar Parrikar Vigyan Mahotsav, which is organized at NIO and simultaneously streamed to be the 7 other locations in college at Pedne, Fonda, Sakli, Kepe, Kankon, Margaon, Marmagoa, where around the 5,000 students, teachers, researchers will participate. My government is committed in promoting. I'm proud to say that lived up to the vision of late Sri Manohar Parrikar, applicable in the infrastructure project for the state of Goa, be in the waste management, education, agriculture, etc. It is a matter of pride that Goa on the Sustainable Development Goal Index is now third among the smaller state categories. I am happy to know that this year the Nobel laureate in the chemistry in 2009, the Professor Ida Yonath from the Weizmann Institute of Science, Israel, Professor K. Kasturirangan, the former chairman of the ISRO, and the Professor Ashutosh Sharma, Professor of IIT Kanpur and former Secretary, Department of the Science and Technology, Government of India, will deliver lectures. I am sure these eminent speakers leave a firm imprint on the minds of the young students and at the same time will motivate the researchers and the teaching community. Due to the pandemic of the COVID-19, the government decided to have this annual event in a hybrid mode like the last year. The state of Goa was also fortunate to host the 7th edition of the India International Science Festival from the 10th to 13th December. The students and scientific community has a great opportunity to listen to these great scientists. The Department of Science and Technology and Waste Management annually organizes Manohar Parrikar Vigyan Mahotsav and also supports the Science Film Festival, which is organized by Goa Vigyan Parishad. I am sure Goa is known for the Science Film Festival besides its own beauty and friendly people. I am sure our state and nation will march towards being the center of excellence. Thank you.
On behalf of everyone present here, I would like to thank our Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, for these warm wishes in his address. To cherish the memories of this third edition of Manohar Parrikar Vigyan Mahotsav, I request Chairman Shri Jose Manuel Narona sir to present mementos to all the dignitaries. Chief guest of today's function, Honorable Shri Michael Lobo sir. Chief Secretary Shri Parimal Rai ji. Professor Ashutosh Sharma. Dr. Shekhar Mande. Professor Sunil Singh. Dr. Tariq Thomas. Yeah. I request Scientist C. Shri Sujit Dongre to come on the stage, and Narona sir, kindly present memento to Shri Sujit Dongre. Thank you, sir. Please be seated. Now I request Dr. Tariq Thomas, Secretary, Science and Technology Department, to propose a vote of thanks.
Thank you. So, this inaugural session, as we come to the end of the inaugural session, I would like to thank Honorable CM Sir. Sir is not here, but even then, Sir was so much interested that he took the trouble. The video message was recorded, and Sir definitely wanted to be there. So even though Honorable CM Sir is not here, I would like to thank him for this continuous support that he has been giving the department and for organizing this event. So I'm very thankful. Importantly, Honorable Minister Michael Lobo sir, thank you so much sir for making it here. Your presence has really helped us. It guides and motivates us. You have always helped the department to achieve its objectives, and we are always thankful for your leadership. Thank you so much for gracing this occasion, sir. Dr. Shekhar Mande, Director General CSIR. Sir, I think before when we started, we were just discussing, though there is an MOU, you always make it a point to come, sir. So MOU does not specify that you should come, but you come and you encourage us, sir. So on a lighter note, I think please do, even if the MOU is not there, we expect your presence each time to guide us. Sir, thank you so much. And Professor Ada Yonath, ma'am is not, will be giving us a recorded message, but she has had a accident and she is not able to directly live stream. But even then, we are very thankful that being a Nobel laureate, even then, for a place like Goa, for encouraging our students, she has taken time and given this message. I am very thankful to her. To Professor K. Kasturi Rangan, former chairman of ISRO, sir, I'm sorry for the delay that has happened, but I'm very thankful that you have taken time from your busy schedule and you are joining us. Thank you so much, sir, for being here. I'm sure all our students are going to really benefit from your wise words and your vision. The interest in space is only increasing. In fact, last day when the IISF was happening, I've seen a lot of students saying after seeing everything, they are even dreaming that we want to become astronauts. So it's very great, sir, that you could join. Professor Ashutosh Sharma, sir, former Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Sir, I'm very thankful that even though you have hung up your boots, you have not hung it up completely. You are here, and we are very happy that you are with us, and we hope you can join us in the evening also. Most importantly, CS sir, you have any event, any issue for the department, each time, sir, you are there for support. So whenever I have had difficulty, whenever my director Levinson, we both of us say that if anything is what we can't do, sir is always there to back us, behind us and with us. So thank you so much, sir, for being here, sir. And Dr. Sunil Singh, I think NIO, this partnership should continue, has been continuing, always there, and we hope that it goes. Anytime there was a requirement that DST needed, you have been there, so I'm very thankful to Dr. Sunil Singh. And of course, we gave each other lamps, but Dr. Jose Manuel Noronha, sir, I have been knowing sir for now last 2 years. We meet during DPCs, we meet, otherwise we don't get to meet otherwise for such events only. But I think this Goa Innovation Council and all the, like we have these projects and all, these are taking place because sir has taken a lot of interest. I think that personal touch is showing. In IISF also, I saw a lot of projects. I'm seeing the result of the Innovation Council out there, the change, the scientific temperament that is coming from Don Bosco to other institutions. Yesterday I saw a cleaning robot, COVID, developed in-house in Goa, and the students were there, and I felt, yes, we are doing the right thing, and sir, your personal touch has really helped. And most importantly, all the students, my departmental colleagues, everybody, we have all done, we are the hosts, but we are from our side to everybody. We should do this every year. It's on a roll now. Like I organize the film festival. We do it every year. So this has become institutionalized. We need to take it forward. For all those who have taken trouble, all the students here, please spread the word about science. Please develop that temperament. Take advantage of this brilliant event, because getting this kind of interaction is not always easy. So all the students, all the participants who are here, I request you to leverage this event, but also I'm thankful to you that you are all here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request all the dignitaries to take your seats in the auditorium.